Hey everyone, welcome to Renee's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you all how to make Oreo pancakes, which are delightful and just easy to make. So let's get into it. First, take two Oreos and remove the cream of them and just grind them in the blender and make a fine powder. See to that there are no lumps in it, okay? Now that our Oreo powder is ready, in it add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 8 tablespoons of milk, and in it also add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil and just give it a good mix. After mixing it, the consistency should be like this. After that, in it add 1 egg yolk and give it a good mix again. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and give it a good mix. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil on a pan and spread it all over it. And add 2 tablespoons of the batter on it and let it cook for 2 minutes on low flame. And flip it over and again let it cook for 1 minute. And yes, our pancakes are ready. Now add maple syrup on it and enjoy.